Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the target scraper works. So basically, if you purchase the software, you'll get 180 different modules that will help you with your marketing and your e-commerce. And here on the scraping section, on the e-commerce modules, you will find the target scraper. So here it's target scraper. And this is what you will get. Basically, click on Open Firefox, and this is going to open Firefox for us, so the software can interact with the web browser. Once we have that, we select one of these URLs. In this case, I'm going to choose the chair. Here, this search term, you can change it for whatever product you're looking for. I just leave it at chair, just for this example. Click on Navigate, and this will navigate and look for different chairs. So as you can see, it has different chairs, and you will scroll down so the pictures show up. Once they show up, basically click on extract, and here you got the product name, the final price, the regular price whenever there is discounts, the rating, the reviews, who is the seller URL, the fulfillment section, the picture, and the product URL. You can select one of them and visit the product, or you can visit the seller if you want to get more information about those specific products. And that's how it works, guys. So the idea of this is that you can have a list, so you could do some drop shipping or a product or use Target as your product supplier. You go purchase the products and then sell them a little bit more expensive in your store. And that way, here you can see how many reviews it had and what is the rating, so you know if the product is going to sell well or not, because you have previous information here. And if you want to save this in Excel, you can click on this corner, do Control C, open Excel, and paste it in Excel. And that way you get all these results. If you wanted to get more results besides the ones that you got for the first page, you can go here on the second one, navigate, extract. And then as you can see, it extracts every 24 products. So you could just keep increasing the number here by multiples of 24. Navigate, extract, and until you get all the different products related to the keyword that you're looking for. And here you will find what is the product that they are selling for. So that way you could use it for your research on which products are good to promote and to sell in your own store. So if you want to get this, you can do that in autopostingtools.com along the 180 modules, and all the e-commerce modules will be included as well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.